So in this tutorial, we're learning how to make this perspective text in Canva in just a few minutes. And it's really nice to put some content on a wall or a screen that's at a little bit of an angle, and that's not that easy always. So let's do that in Canva. First thing you want to do is you want to find a nice image. So I'm going to drag in an image of a wall with a corner. So you can use whatever you want that you want to put your content on. Secondly is that we want to have our text on a separate page. So I'm going to add a page, and here I'm going to add my text. So let's do a title and do your title. So this is going to be the word that we put on the screen or on the wall. Now we want to go to share and download this, but make sure that you do a PNG and you do it with transparent background. So you only want to have the text. If that's the case, of course, if you want to have the content or like the background, you can export it as well. So I'm going to do the text only without background and then save it. So once that is done, you can go back to the first slide and add it to your design. I'm going to drag that from my desktop and put it on the screen here. You can see that it doesn't look nice if we just put it like this on the slide. So what we want to do here is we want to go to the apps section and here look for reshape. Go to reshape and we want to choose either distort, skew, perspective or wrap. In our case, the distort will be good. And we're going to drag the handles so we can see that there's a few little handles here. And then you can just readjust the positioning of your text on the slide. Now here in the image, it's important that we gain some perspective. So the end has to be a lot smaller. So we're going to put that closer together until we get some sort of a right feel. Try to look for anchor points, like for example, the lines that could work well for us to make sure that everything's nice and straight. And then we increase it a bit until we see that it nicely matches up with the line. So that should be good. I think we can even go a bit smaller and then extend it a bit more. There we go. And once you're happy with the result, you can just press save here at the bottom. And then you can crop the image if you want. And there you have the text on the slide. Now we can increase it in size since it's staying within that same perspective. So if we match it nicely with the slide, that will work. And this is how you can easily add some perspective text to a wall or a TV in Canva in just a few seconds. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.